In this video, you will learn the product 490 Self-Lock Standing Seam Roll Forming Machine. A standing seam roll forming machine is used to make standing seam metal roofing panels. The number of roll-up stations, more rollers more better, but cost is also much, so machine is proper solution, and according to client's requirement. Material for rollers, number 45 CNC lathing and high quality chroming. Chroming is for anti-rust. Cuting device. How long lifetime of cutting blade? We calculate the lifetime according to the cutting times, not by time, not by length, not by tons. Our cutting blade can cut at least 100,000 times, and if it is not sharp, you can polish the blade by grinding machine, like the scissors processing. PLC control system, type PLC, frequency control and system with touch screen. PLC brand, Delta, encoder brand, Omron. The self-lock roof sheet occlusal system is applied to sloping roofs and curved roofs. The overall structural waterproof and drainage functions can completely occlude the joints, regardless of the shape of the building, and the entire roof has no nail holes,